For measuring resistance bar to bar on the armature, we use the ARP-02 or Armature Resistance Probes. It's a 4-wire Kelvin style measurement, so each probe set has two pins, or one probe will be on the same bar, meaning both pins on one probe remain on the same bar. So you measure from one bar to the second bar. To connect it to the iTIG, you use the RCLZ port on the front of the tester. And the foot switch jack. There's a red button on one of the probes, and that's what controls the foot switch, or your on or off. We're already in test mode here. We're going to say test. Similar to the ABT or ATF test setup, the test description field can be populated on the setup screen. So we're going to select armature here, and we're going to go directly to the resistance tab. So the trick here now is to select bar to bar. So this button is only available if you have a tester with the multi-coil test feature. It's also highly recommended to have the micro-Ohm resistance resolution. These two things are standard on the Model D and optional in the Model C. So to start the testing here, one probe in each hand. Get comfortable in front of the armature. Two probes, each probe on one bar next to each other. Press the red button. It will make the measurement. Now you can move one bar over. Press the red button. When the measurement is complete, you let the red button go. Move one over. And then you continue walking across the commutator. If you make a mistake somewhere, like so, and you get too high of a reading, for example, you can always click the armature bar chart here, and you can see, oh, I have an outlier. If you click this bar, it will give you the count. So n equals 7, that means you're on bar 7. It will give you the resistance value and how far off you are. And then it's going to ask you, do you want to replace this bar with new measurement? Yeah, I do. Say yes. Okay, now I'm back to bar 7. So now we can repeat that measurement. That's better. And then we move on to the next bar. And you can continue your test set. At any point, you can always go and click the bar chart here and look at your results. If you want to go back, you can always do so. When you're done with your test set, you click the folder button to exit out of test mode, view print past test. But we print the report as a PDF, and then you get your resistance bar chart and any other measurements you've done on the serial number.